Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we are making a video for Expert Village. We are crocheting wire for Christmas bracelets today, and I'd like to talk about the beads that we use and how to choose them. Some of the beads that I have used for this Christmas bracelet are snowmen and little bows. The snowflakes are very cute, and the snowflakes and the snowmen are actually buttons that I bought at Michael's craft store. They have quite an array of buttons that you can choose in all different sizes, and just about anything that you want, they have it in a button. Also, I have the faceted beads in red and green that we use. These are the 4mm ones. These are just the plastic faceted beads that you can get at any craft store or even at Walmart in the craft department. Also at Michael's are these little light bulb buttons. They're in the same section as the buttons, and they dangle from the bracelet, and they look really, really cute. We also have seed beads that are clear and some that are red, and we use the red and the clear ones to make a little candy cane on the bracelet. Also at Michael's, they have these little tiny jingle bells. They have them in gold and silver, and we've also included those in our bracelet.